And welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to share charts in view only mode. You can share your charts in different ways on Tradingview. You can publish an idea, you can make and share a snapshot as a picture, and you can click the icon to share your charts in a chart. Now, if you want to know how to share a snapshot of your charts as a picture, check out our video on how to take and share a snapshot of your charts in Tradingview. Now, another less known feature is sharing your chart easily while keeping the interactivity and allowing your setup to be easily copied. It shows the chart the exact same way you see it, and all you need to do is copy the link from the address bar and provide it to the person you want to share it with. Now, how do you share? Sharing charts in view only mode is done on a per chart layout basis. To enable this, click the arrow up to the right of the chart layout, and then in the menu that appears, toggle sharing to enable it. So this is the arrow up. Tap on this, then these options will appear, then you turn on sharing. You can see it. This is the chart behind it. So once you do that, you will see the option to copy link, which is the next option down here. So you copy this link down here, and once you do that, once you copy the link, that is the URL link from the address bar, then you can share it. But keep in mind that you have to be logged into your account, your Tradingview account, in order to see the chart and all the indicators properly. Also, the version of the chart at the time of the sharing is saved. All subsequent changes by the author will not be displayed on the copies shared. Now, how do you open a shared chart? Let's say a person you share a chart with wants to open the chart. Now, the person will see your chart in the view only mode. Note that the person who has the link can select copy and save the layout as their own. How? This is the chart that has been shared. So you see copy at the top where the arrow is pointing. Tap on it and they can now save it as their own. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.